Hey, how you guys doing? I'm here in Salvador district, like a financial district. All down there is like shops and restaurants and all kinds of stuff there. And when you get to the end of the street here, it goes right here into this big mall. There's this giant mall down here. And so I am in Quito, Ecuador. It's really nice down here, beautiful day. And I'm gonna go into this mall, see what all kind of shops that they have, let you guys check it out as well. But just wanted to give you an outside view, and this is where it's located. So as you can see, El Salvador is going to be in that either direction there. So this is the main area here. A lot of financial stuff goes on down here, and banking and all kinds of other stuff. So but a lot of nice good restaurants. I seen the Sheraton was located right down there. You can see it right below that see the banking sign right there. So this is a really good area. All those down there, you see a lot of condos and stuff like that. So if you're considering maybe grabbing an Airbnb or something like that, you may want to consider being in this area, because everything is pretty close. You can walk to it. So you can just walk right out of your condo, come down, hit a restaurant, hang out a little bit, a lot of coffee shops. Then if you want to do some shopping, you just go across the street here. I haven't actually been in the mall, but as you can see, it's like basically corner to whole corner, and who knows how far back it goes over there. So from my understanding, it's a pretty large mall with a lot of good shops and stuff like that. So we're gonna go in there and check it out, see what all they have, and we'll take it from there. Let's get across the street. I ain't trying to get hit. So cool little area. My man taking his tie off must have had a long day. I'm trying to get hit. So how you get in? Oh, okay, here we go. Alrighty, so I'm gonna turn this off temporarily until I get inside. And I notice when I walk into places that I have it on, a lot of times they'll tell you turn it off. But if you wait to get inside and turn it on, no one ever says anything to you. So we're gonna turn it off real quick. And well, I don't see anybody at the front door, but I think I still better play it safe. Turn it off. I want to be able to let you guys see some of the inside. All right, so this is the location here, and looks like they got a couple of levels. Let's see, we got Fridays, we got Nike, Galactic Games, got quite a few places, and it looks like it's under construction here. So just check it out a little bit. So this is a weekday. Today is Tuesday. So probably on the weekends, this place is probably packed. So there's upwards view. You guys see, looks like it's a pretty nice sized place. Hey Yoda, what's up? Watch World. Oh, nice books. Special editions there. How you doing? Explorer. So that brand Marathon is pretty popular down here. Not saying it's not popular other places, but so unfortunately my battery is getting low and I didn't bring my backup battery, so I might have to take a quick charge break. That's a maybe, maybe not. We'll have to see. Marathon Sports. Nipsey, hey, marathon continues. Oh, this is the Nike store here. Yeah, this is a pretty nice sized mall. We got an Adidas over there. So just give you guys an update on the trip so far. It's been really, really good. All positive experience here in Ecuador. Nothing negative to report, which is a good thing. Don't want to go somewhere and always have something negative to say. For the most part, I've really enjoyed this trip. The cuisine is pretty good here. I think, in my opinion, that Colombia might have them beat as far as cuisine is concerned, but you guys tag me in the comments down below and give me your thoughts on that if you've been to Ecuador and Colombia, and give me your thoughts on who has the best cuisine. So but as far as you know, the way people treat you, hey, you know, everybody is really, really polite and courteous. Everyone's respectful, helpful. Of course, you got to be careful where you go. You can't be walking down no dark alleys, like I said before. And so I got a gentleman right here who's probably going to tell me to turn this off.
Le comento, no se puede hacer grabación.
Okay, you guys, we're walking. We're going to see how far this place actually goes. Because we started way back there, and we're going to go way down here. It doesn't look like this place ends. Oh, this is tea. A good tea place. It's hard to find a good tea place nowadays. Thinking about getting back into my tea. I used to drink tea quite frequently. You know, and tea is also very good for medicinal purposes as well. So slow down on that coffee. Not that I'm a big coffee drinker. Maybe a cup, maybe two. But most of the time I just drink a cup a day. Oh, got a steakhouse up in here. You can get your eyebrows done and stuff up in here. Nails, all kind of little stuff. As you see, it keeps going. It keeps going, you guys. I guess I'll go down this way. It's a pretty big mall. Tommy Hilfiger over there. And we got a Psycho Bunny over here. Quite a few shops up in here. So if you come to Quito, Ecuador, you want to do some shopping, you can come to this place, man. And like I said, I just barely scratched the surface. I'm about ready to run into another one of those mall cops. He's probably gonna have me to turn this thing off again. So we'll see if he makes an issue out of it. ¿Cómo está? So Sony here. So he didn't trip out like the last guy did. Sometimes they just be on power trips, you guys. You know, you give them a little authority and they let it go to their head. You know, but you know, I usually try to abide by the rules and regulations and turn it off. So don't want any problems, especially in a foreign country. Last place you want to end up is in a foreign jail somewhere, trying to call the U.S. Embassy. So nice. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Been there, done that travel. Cali, and I'm out.